And that's from one mask.
Woo, it's like snow.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Hey guys, it's Naomi again, and we're back with another season of Try Me Review Me. So if you guys are curious, it's actually winter here in Korea, and our skin is getting really dry, so it's deep in need for moisture and hydration. So the brand that we actually brought in for Try Me Review Me today will help you with your dry skin. So for those who don't know what is Try Me Review Me, Try Me Review Me is a program where we provide you with products to review, and you can just review it for free. So this time we decided to work with the brand Double Dare, and we will be selecting 50 people to review this special kit worth $80. And for those who will be selected as the 50 reviewees, they will receive benefits such as being promoted, the opportunity to be promoted on Stylekorean social media websites. And the best reviewer among the 50 reviewees will receive $100 worth of Stylekorean points to get products for free on our website. So today I actually brought a special guest, and you guys might know who he is, but let's welcome Jay!
Woo! Hello everyone, this is Jay, and I'm working in Stylekorean as a brand manager for the brand Double Dare.
So I brought in the expert who knows Double Dare the best, so why don't you introduce us to Double Dare?
Okay, Double Dare was born in California in 2017 with beauty industry inside it. Most people will relate Double Dare with extraordinary, exploring, different, and adventure. So
what will we be having from Double Dare today?
Okay, we have this travel pouch here.
So this is actually worth $80 if you want to purchase it, but we're actually giving it to you for free. It's like, it says Double Dare in front, and it says Dare to Discover at the back, along with the mask.
Red water serum, and it contains 75% of coconut water to balance your skin, along with centella and 8 types of flower extract to moisturize and soothe your skin.
So I heard actually centella is really good for like even acne prone skin.
Yeah, and also the sensitive skin.
So what is the next product?
Okay, let's move on to the next, called Red NPR Glow.
What is NPR? It's the first time I heard it, so what is an NPR?
Yeah, I'll explain to you. Okay, NPR stands for Moisturizer, Primer, and Repair.
Oh, so you can use it as a moisturizer and a primer? Or at the same time?
Yeah.
So it's like skipping the last step and first step of your like skincare and makeup routine.
And I could say this is like all-in-one cream and also the boosting cream.
Oh, so you can just use it as a cream?
As a cream, day and night.
So let me just try this, and maybe you can try others later.
Okay.
It looks like that. It feels really moisturizing. You can see my hand is like totally glowing right now. It has quite a thick texture. Let me try it with my trusty cushion. Let's see the difference after applying the cushion on top. So I'm guessing it will look a bit more dewy on the skin after applying the cushion. Ooh. If you guys can see it, it's like glowing. Maybe I'll take this home and use it. Can I take this home?
Sure.
Let's see the last product. This is the red snail mask, and well, as you guys can see from the packaging, the mask is gonna be red. You barely get any red masks, and the first time I saw it, I was really shocked, actually.
Whoa.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh.
Oh my god. This is OMG.
Jay actually wanted to tell us something about this mask.
Okay. Use this part
and place
on your
it on your skin.
And then peel off the film. Then you could wear it properly.
Apparently it has so much essence that when you squeeze it, there's so much that comes out.
I'm going to show you.
Okay, so... Whoa! Whoa! What are you...
You can
wow! Like, oh my god, there's so much! So we also have this red hairband for you to use when you wash your face. So it actually holds all your hair up, and it's really easy for you to apply your skincare. But yeah.
Actually, we have like 8 colors of this hairband, but the red is the best color.
Yeah, I think the red is the nicest, and it's like Christmas, like it feels like Christmas. So that's the end of the video today, and please apply for our Double Dares Try Me Review Me to receive all these amazing babies that we'll be sending to you. So hurry and apply at the link below. Bye. Thank you, Jay, for joining us.
Okay, we'll see you again really soon. Bye.
Bye.